my country people, wonder them talk say he know the life finish. But anyway, Ogbolor don't vex as you say, I'm not invest come out. But I gotta go back and come back because the show got to go on. Because the first one, the second one, the third one, and who knows who they go bring come back again. We cannot talk. I beg. Ogbi they make una use una mouth. Ask him. I ain't they feel now. I understand that this kind of thing they be now. Anyway, Sha.
I don't do okay now. That guy provoked me just now. Which kind solid starch?
You know the part they pay me? When he was singing a song, he got the think out.
He got the think the song. The reason is
he will do me like this. He will sing one line.
He say along the line. Okay, sing song when you sing. You can't forget the lyrics.
I'm telling you.
When they chop mouth.
He go do like this. He go sing out.
Because I can't stand. I can't use dance. Take over the whole thing.
You vex,
I say your daddy.
You vex.
I come on bet from nowhere. You flog everything like this. My own. How they take they get my number?
Nah, I don't understand.
Any which way, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome back. Still the late night show. And of course, when the show just started just now, two of my very crazy friends that they opened the show today. And they don't follow me sit down for yet to continue every. All of them just come beg me for back just now because the solid starch nonsense somebody. Ladies and gentlemen, make help me. Make welcome Sly and Monkals. Monkals, how about you? Injoko?
Don't do or don't do so you do.
What you talk just now, no. But shall greet everybody, the Akwa Ibom crowd and the Calabar people waiting for outside and every. Make them shall know say their brother day for here.
Ogbolor, you know your friend.
Ogbolor.
Yeah, they hear you. Your voice low. Not be village meeting they do now. It's like say you come from cancel.
You friend ba me momba. Edia got the enuff. Or your for a tie enuff. My friend was me. And the year ago one.
What you talk just now? I hear from.
Don't worry, just sit there and look out.
All the Akwa Ibom people wait just here now. And you don't talk Twitter. Just send message. What you talk now? That hear from. That here, I don't want to talk the last word. While you're here from inside now. At W Late Night Show, reach there, make you go tell me. What you talk just now? Monkals, anything you talk now, your head though. Now your head though.
You don't have a problem.
You don't have a problem.
You don't have a problem.
A problem. Sly on an Indian P.
You understand how it is going? If you want me to greet my people, I would like to take us back to those days when we used to watch our very beautiful Indian movies. Yes. Where you have Har Mein Hoon, Divana Tera Mein Hoon, Divana Tera Surat Meri Ke Jaan Le, Jaani Man, Jaani Dige, Jaani Kamanna. I bring greetings to you all the way from my house. And I want to let you know that you should sit back, relax, and watch the late night show. Myself and this my little brother.
No
and,
matter, no.
He's my little brother.
This is it. I brought him from India to Nigeria.
Oh, now you go carry a call from India.
I brought him to come and be.
Why come fast pass you now?
You need to.
No, the problem is that, you know, we are doing modeling. I'm a model.
Oh, you be model?
Yes, I do model.
But you not
so I wanted to take him along to become a model, but they swear for him in India. Doesn't want him to.
Oh, they swear for India.
I'm telling you. So
you need to ask him. You need to ask him where he met me in India. I employed this brother in my sugar factory. Oh. He used to carry like 2 big bags of sugar. That is why he can never get fat.
He was just a laborer. 2 of us, we were walking.
Oh, but you say he be model just now.
You can imagine him.
He was a laborer in India.
I employed him in my sugar factory.
He was a laborer in India.
A laborer in India?
Yes. I traveled for international assignment.
International assignment?
Yes. But when I got today to see the international program, so I now saw him working on this thing. So I decided to help him.
Monkals, wait to 3 different things you don't do now. You be model, international contract, and laborer. Which of them you start with?
It depends on the one you hear first. But what I mean is this. I went on international assignment.
International assignment.
I saw him begging.
Oh, it's begging.
Yes, I wanted to help him. Come on, Nahim. Don't tell me Nahim. Nahim is not an adjective. It's not even a verb. It's not a name.
How can someone be putting up a bigger lie on my head?
Okay.
How can someone be putting on a bigger lie? And a black Indian, have you ever seen a black Indian get annoyed before?
Now on the talk.
I'm going to run inside your stomach now. I am going to invoke a very big snake in the studio right now.
No, the only thing
a snake is going to come into the studio.
Sorry.
If you don't talk to me now, I'm going to get a big snake into the studio.
Somebody cannot yoke with you again. So somebody cannot yoke with you.
How can you be? Oh, because now you know that you were joking. Because I want to be a big snake. I am getting annoyed now.
Sorry.
Slide now.
If you want to bring a snake, no problem. Bring a snake, I will bring a dog. Snake and dog is fine. Somebody's yoking a yoke and you want to bring a snake.
It's a yoke now. It's a yoke.
I'm yoke and you want to bring a snake. If you bring a snake,
how
I bring a
can
dog.
you be lying on my head? Reki karke turki hai, harke pushke korke, harke tarke ke, kabi roisa.
Upuma vye noro haruko krushki kareki. Awu go keroko.
Exactly.
Your language can never be sweeter than my language.
Amen.
It's not possible.
You want to contest? Okay, sing a song in your language.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Sing a song in
Because
your
you know
language.
say,
I am going to sing mine.
aside from say comedy, Slide they also sing. You say they do comedy, they sing too.
Good.
This language, they do everything.
Pick parke puti.
Oh yeah.
Sing a song in your
You
language.
don't, there is no song you want to sing that can be sweeter than our song.
Go ahead and sing.
You see, in our place, we sing different kind of song. Aminga gatewe yemna kaiba uamio. Ade yebe minte pori young idim bibsina. Nga gatewe yemna.
That is not a very good song. Can you compare that one to when you hear a song like Are aage se dekho, nite se dekho, upar se dekho,
Forget about that. That is not a song at all.
Are aage se
It's not a
dekho,
song.
piche se dekho, are upar se dekho, piche se dekho.
See, the problem is that, let me tell you something.
You don't even know what I
No, in my place, we are international. We can sing all kind of songs. Now, your song, I can sing it, but you can never sing my song. That is the advantage and disadvantage.
You want to sing your song.
He was singing that song that time. Yeah, Hariman. Iya.
Yes.
What is the Hariman?
Don't get the people of India to hear this.
What is the
They are never going to get you a visa anymore. Are
Who need a visa to go to India?
Do you want to spoil that language?
What did you just sing? Nang Yoriman. Yoriman. What is it in Yoriman?
Are this guy must be something else. I think you have to go back to the sugar factory.
Okay.
No.
Wait, before we start to talk about sugar factory and fights and every.
Talk about?
Because
Let's
as like this now. Okay, wait. Because 12 now they sing. 12 now they sing, 12 now they do acting, now they do comedy and every. And they argue too. Now Sabi argue say. But on that particular level now, it gets one particular story what I talk just now. Now see I'm just now inside the whole show where children that they play inside bouncing castle. So we're not gonna just knock the picture on top of the screen and then una give me una own view of this particular story. Wetin una think? Even Charlie Boy own self where we put a hand. Now the picture be this one now. Wetin una see for this particular thing? What went wrong here? Wetin una feel for the picture of this whole thing? Very suggestive picture.
This photo, I say, how beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
You're calling this thing
No,
beautiful?
when you say beautiful,
Yes.
no, I'm saying that how beautiful.
How beautiful.
It resembles something.
Oh,
How beautiful.
very suggestive.
How beautiful.
How beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Sly.
This person need to born again.
Who? Who be the person? The children?
The person that did this has to be born again. You cannot be in a fasting mode and someone would tell you to watch this kind of bouncing castle.
Or to bounce in the castle.
Or what do you want me to bounce in this kind of castle? What kind of thinking are you going to live in my head? This person must be a very, very, okay, I can see that the children are coming out of it.
Exactly.
So he's trying to explain to us that is where we all came out from.
Exactly.
So that is where...
You notice something like that?
This is no more a bouncing castle. It is something that bounces the castle.
This is the kind of bouncing castle.
It's a bouncing castle something.
That when you bounce, he bounce you.
Okay, now, Charlie Boy. What's not going to talk about Charlie Boy and this reinvention of himself, what they always do? Charlie Boy. Okay, now only himself, because they really just start the whole craze. What now feel about Uncle Charlie? We don't they wear this cloth and every costume things when they always do like this. Yes.
I want my boy to talk about it first.
Oh, your boy.
He's my boy should
they
talk
say
about
be the
it.
boy, you make you talk about this one first.
Is this kind of a person that he used to like talk about
You
it?
know that when I look this picture like this, I'm sure of what?
Oh.
Look at it.
For the first time, they shut up.
This is something we call a vampire.
Yes.
Look at this.
It's Ekpo.
Ekpo.
Look at this.
What is Ekpo?
Itakro.
Itakro. What is Itakro? Masquerade.
Ekpo Ntoyen.
Ekpo Ntoyen.
Whatever name you...
Small children masquerade.
Small children.
How can if he from Chari boy, at least he should have progressed to Chari man. Then from Chari man, he now entered to Chari grandman or grandfather or Chari old man.
Now he's coming
Oh, Charlie ancestor. Something.
This man is old enough to be an ancestor and he's come here. No, now.
But it's not a reinvention. Not reinvention they call out.
Very soon now he's going to reinvent and enter something that we will be pouring libation before we can.
Okay, my people are back. We see that on the late night show, and of course I still get Sly and Monkals here. They do their thing with languages and every. All right, today word of the day. We'll now go. Our Twitter handle will be at @WLate Night Show. Go knock for us. The word of the day for today now: monkey not fine, but in mama like him. Make una put am for inside English. Monkey not fine, but in mama like him. Put am back for inside English, and then we go know every. Go Twitter. Go they knock the gist for that place. Make we see who go fit translate that thing into proper and composed English. All right, we got one funny video. We'll go knock put for us. Then we'll continue with the show with Sly and Monkals still inside the studio. Muna not go anywhere. They come back. No. Easy bit. Pause.
Liking the way you don't spend my money. I don't go lie, I'm liking your way.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, that's actually helping. Hey. No, I'm not busy. I'm going to the rooftop in Brooklyn. Yeah, playing my bees. Just shut up, you got weird hours. It's okay. Man, get down. Get down, okay? Are you stuck? Did they sing you? Good, because there's no bees. They couldn't sing you. It's a prank. It's a joke. It's just confetti. You're right. They're packed in really well, so... Get up! Get up! Are they stinging you? Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Calm down! Shh. There's no bees. It's just a prank. It's just confetti. Yeah, with the bees. Okay, they're packed in there well. Hey, get down! Yep. It's just confetti. It's a prank. Yeah, I'm going to the rooftop with the bees. Yeah, the bees. Dude, listen up, you got some weird. Okay, they're packed in really well, so it should be okay. Get down! Get down! Get down! Okay, just, dude, yeah, cover yourself, that's great, that's great! They're stinging you? Are they stinging you? Yeah, you sure? I don't think they're stinging you, dude, because there's no bees. There's no bees. It's a prank. What? It's a prank, dude. There's nothing in these boxes. It's just confetti. See, say hi to the camera.